So, September 4, 2011, tandaan mo ang araw na to.
You, ubus ang lahi ang puso pag pinaiyak mo si Teresa. Oh, her like a princess. Why? You will be her knight in shining armor. E, every time na kasama ka namin, dapat manlibre ka. Letter B, babanatan ka namin pag niloko mo si Esa. Oh, okay na sa amin para kay Esa. L, love her for who she is. I, ingatan mo si Esa nga. Yes, you will be my Superman and I will be
but you look so beautiful on this starry night. Loving the way the moon catches your eyes and smile. I'm captivated, your beauty is timeless, never updated. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so want to? This is all based on a lucky chance that you rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, honey and Bear. Be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen. When I asked you what often stay, I guess it's safe to say.
Wala, hindi kompleto, walang kiss.